Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're shrinking down to explore the mind-boggling world of one of Earth's tiniest, yet mightiest creatures, the ant. You see them everywhere, but I promise, after this video, you'll never look at them the same way again. Get ready for some of the strangest facts about ants you won't believe. First up, did you know that some ants are farmers? That's right. Leafcutter ants don't actually eat the leaves they so diligently carry. Instead, they take them back to their nests to cultivate a special type of fungus. They chew the leaves into a pulp, add their saliva, and use it as fertilizer for their fungal gardens. This fungus is their primary food source. So, they're not just carrying leaves, they're tending to their crops. It's basically a sophisticated agricultural system happening right under our feet. Now, let's talk about their incredible strength. You've probably heard that ants can carry many times their own body weight. But how much exactly? Some species can lift and carry objects 50 times heavier than themselves. To put that into perspective, it's like an average human lifting a small car. They achieve this because their muscles are incredibly thick relative to their body size. This phenomenal power makes them the superlifters of the insect kingdom. Think ants are just simple insects following a scent trail. Think again. Some ant species, like the desert ant, are master navigators. In the featureless expanse of the desert, they can't rely on pheromone trails, which would evaporate in the heat. Instead, they use the sun as a compass and count their steps to measure distance. Scientists have tested this by changing the length of their legs, and sure enough, ants with longer legs overshot their nest, while those with shorter legs fell short. They're literally using an internal pedometer. Here's a wild one. Some ants can essentially clone their queen. In certain species, when the queen dies, the worker ants can use unfertilized eggs to create a new queen who is a genetic clone of the old one. This process, called parthenogenesis, ensures the colony's survival and genetic lineage. It's like a sci-fi movie plot, but it's real life for these ants. They have achieved a form of immortality for their colony's genetic blueprint. And what about warfare? Ant colonies are known to engage in massive, organized battles over territory and resources. But some species take it a step further. Have you heard of slave-maker ants? These ants raid the nests of other ant species, steal their eggs and larvae, and bring them back to their own colony. When these captured ants hatch, they become workers, essentially slaves for their captors, doing everything from foraging for food to caring for the slave-maker's young. It's a brutal, yet fascinating, survival strategy. Finally, let's talk about the superorganism. An ant colony isn't just a collection of individuals. It functions as a single, unified entity, or a superorganism. The entire colony works together with such perfect coordination that it behaves like a single living being. They communicate through chemical signals, touch, and even sound to make complex, colony-wide decisions about where to find food, when to move the nest, and how to defend against threats. Each ant is like a cell in a larger body, all working for the good of the whole. From farming fungi to cloning their queen and waging sophisticated wars, the world of ants is so much more complex and bizarre than we could ever imagine. They are a testament to the incredible diversity and ingenuity of life on our planet. What an amazing, tiny world hiding in plain sight. Thanks so much for hanging out and exploring these incredible ant facts with me today. If you found this as fascinating as I did, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss our next deep dive. See you in the next video.